Hi everybody, welcome to Exploring Foods with Smitty. Well, I was looking through like restaurants in the area and I came across this site that sells peach cobbler. It's like a cobbler restaurant. So let me show you. Okay, so I went online and I ordered because if you know, going into DC and trying to find a place to park is crazy. It's called the Peach Cobbler Factory. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Now, at this place, you can get peach cobbler with ice cream, or they sell cookies and brownies. And I wanted to get a brownie and try, but I thought, well, that's a little bit too much. So let's take this off and see what we got. I've never heard of anybody saying if it was good or not. So, okay. So, this is the cobbler. It's a caramel apple cobbler, and it usually comes with ice cream, but I didn't have them put the ice cream on because I have ice cream here and I didn't want it to be a milkshake by the time they got here. So let me let you see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do is put ice cream on it so I can get the full effect. And when I come back, we'll be trying it out. Okay, so I had to put the ice cream in the microwave for a little bit because it's really frozen. So let's try it without the ice cream first. It looks really good, and it's an apple caramel, I believe. Caramel's really good. It's got tons of apples in it. Tons. The apples are cooked really good. Now, for me, the clincher of a cobbler is the crust. Let me try to find some crust in here. Here's a piece of crust. Okay, so here's a piece of crust. Let's try that. Very good. Very sweet. So let's try putting the ice cream on. Okay, so as you can see, I put on some ice cream. I didn't want to put a lot on. So let's try it with the ice cream. Delicious. Now, my one complaint is that I like crust on my cobbler. And this just doesn't have enough crust, but it's still very good. I would give them if I had to rate them, honestly, I would give them a 9 out of 10. And that would be only because, to me, it doesn't have enough crust. It's like you're getting more apples and thank you for exploring this apple cobbler with me. And this is called a caramel apple cobbler. And as I said, it's pretty good. And you can look it up in DC. And it's called the Peach Cobbler Factory. Have a good one.